Welcome back to the Review Shuffle. Today we're taking a look at the Beats Solo 4, which are currently priced at $199 on Best Buy and Amazon. However, they'll occasionally go on sale for around $130. I was able to pick these up for around $100 during the November and December holiday sales and have been using them consistently for a few months. Overall, the design features are pretty similar, however there are a few differences. On the Solo 4 headphones, you get that upgraded USB-C charging port on the bottom versus the micro USB charging port on the Beats Solo 3, so that's a great upgrade. You also get this slighter trim around the hinge where the Solo 3 would match the rest of the headphones, so black on black, blue on blue, etc. As far as performance goes, I did notice that the Solo 4 battery life greatly outlasted the Solo 3, even when compared to the Solo 3 when I first purchased it. Now, I'm not an expert on audio, but the sound quality does sound a lot better on the Solo 4 and doesn't have that really bass-heavy feeling that you got on the previous generation. Now, the biggest disappointment that I have found on the Solo 4 headphones is the microphone. I tend to take a lot of phone calls while wearing them, and I've repeatedly run into issues where the other person can't hear what I'm saying unless I really speak up. Sometimes the person on the other end even says that the audio cuts out. Now, I initially thought that this could have been a defective item, so I brought it back and exchanged it for the same headphones, the Beats Solo 4, brought it back, set it up for testing, and ran into the same problem. As far as comfort goes, they are on-ear headphones, so expect your ears to hurt a little bit after wearing them for long periods of time. Now, connectivity is a breeze when connecting to my iPhone. After pairing for the first time, it'll automatically connect. It'll also show the battery percentage, which is really helpful on this generation because you no longer have those indicator lights for the battery, like on the Solo 3. As a casual user myself, I would recommend picking up the Solo 3 version if you could find them for under $100 and want to save that extra money. Otherwise, this is still a great choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews.